What's been going on, guys? I've been trading cryptocurrencies for the last couple of weeks. I'm gonna talk about some of the things that I've learned and some of my results so far, so stay tuned. So if you've been a long-time subscriber, you probably saw how I started talking about cryptocurrencies probably about 2-3 weeks ago, and it's been on a tear. This is my Exodus wallet right now. This is most of my cryptocurrencies that I have right now. I have some currency on the GDAX exchange right now that I've been trading today with some Etherum, stuff like that. But right now, this is kind of my main hold. This is some of the coins that I'm holding big right now. You can see Litecoin is definitely one of my biggest positions. So Litecoin, I've got about 88 coins, I think. I talked about this in other videos as well, as I've been exchanging different coins whenever they go up big, and then getting more Litecoin, and then using Litecoin whenever it goes up big, kind of exchanging and following some of these patterns. There's been a big move recently in Bitcoin Cash. There's been some nice moves in Bitcoin. Also, Ethereum has been going crazy, and Litecoin obviously is up beautifully. You can see the price right now for Litecoin is $76, $76.67. You got Ethereum, it's up 8% on the day, 457. And then you got Bitcoin up there at record highs at the 8,200 area. So we're expecting some big moves going into the weekend. Normally get some big moves over the weekend. We'll see what happens. Everything's been up really, really green this week. So we'll see if we get a nice pullback on the weekend. I've got some extra cash that I actually want to buy some pullback here. I wouldn't mind getting some more Litecoin cheaper. Maybe Litecoin pulls back down that $60 area. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But you can see what I'm holding right now. Also got some Dash. I've been holding Dash since about the $400 area. I think Dash right now is up there at the 550 area. So Dash has been working out for me. Not a huge position, but just still kind of messing there with Dash. I'm holding some BAT and Golem for fun. One of the things you need to remember if you're using Exodus, you need to have Ethereum in your wallet to be able to trade some other coins. So if you're trying to trade coins like EOS, you're going to need Ethereum to use that. So kind of looking at some of the results that I've had recently, if you can see here, a bit stoked about Dash right now. I like the way Dash is looking. You can see here, I got in there at the 1,382 area. So that was what it was worth there back on November 18th. And now, right now, it's worth $1,700. So that's not a bad return there on, you know, $1,300 profit. You can see my total wallet kind of updating there. A couple of days ago, I was there at the like 10,000 something area. Golem is pretty funny. So you can see Golem, I got back there November 6th. There, $53. It's up there to $68 now. Only put in $53, getting a little return there on that. I'm going to hold this one for a long time. This is one of those coins that I'll just hold for like 10 years. I got 287 coins there from Golem. Same thing with BAT. I'm going to hold this one just forever, basically. But the big mover for me really is Litecoin. You can see some of these Litecoin profits so far. This one I exchanged the other day, so it wasn't that much of a move there. It's up about $80 on that amount there. This one's up a little bit from 259. You can see one annoying thing about Exodus is it's really hard to kind of see the exact profits from each coin. So let's say if I'm exchanging back and forth a bunch of times, it's hard to see the exact profits from each of those. But the big thing for me right now is just getting as many Litecoins as possible. And you can see this was actually a pretty nice one. So exchanging Bitcoin Cash back there for Litecoin, got 30 Litecoin. It was worth $2,000 back there on the 18th. Now it's worth $2,300. So you can kind of see some of these nice moves. There's $631 exchanging 10 Litecoin and getting $700 worth there on that. So overall, right now, the big positions that I'm holding right now are Litecoin. I'm holding Ethereum and Bitcoin. I've got 6 Ethereum right now in my GDAX that I've been trading the last couple of days. Ethereum has been making some crazy moves. We'll see what happens. I'm looking to maybe get a move above that $500 area. We'll see up there to that 470 area. So kind of expecting, you know, maybe we get a nice move this weekend. We'll see how powerful. And there it is again, kind of bumping up there to $11,318 now. So constantly this thing is updating fast, updating constantly. And I've been really lucky and learning more and more about the whole cryptocurrency world and figuring out things. One of the things that I've been working on, obviously, is not chasing these coins. I do not want to buy the tops of these big moves. I've been looking for some nice pullbacks. The last couple of weeks, there have been some really nice pullbacks with the whole Bitcoin Cash issue that was going on, and ended up getting a bunch of Litecoin on that deal. I've got a little bit of Bitcoin, only $2,500 worth, not a ton there. But I'm just going to hold that one and see what happens with Bitcoin Cash. But really right now it's all about accumulating, getting more and more coins. I would not mind getting, you know, 100, 200 coins of Litecoin by the end of this year. We'll see. See if we get any pullbacks. Litecoin's been really strong, and Ethereum, same thing. I wish I really would have bought more Ethereum when it was back below $300. Now it's up there to $457 right now, bouncing around. So Ethereum making some big moves. Overall, the cryptocurrency world has been doing some crazy stuff, and I think if you haven't already, do some research, learn more about it. There's a lot of opportunity here. This thing is going on 24 hours a day, Saturday, Sunday, 7 days a week. There's no pauses. This stuff is constantly moving up, down, all around, so you can look for some really good opportunities. If you're into momentum day trading, trading cryptocurrency is definitely another way to make money, and look for some volatility in the cryptocurrency world. So that's why I keep talking about it on this channel. That's why I keep telling you guys, do some research, invest some time, learn more about it. Don't go out and just buy a bunch of Bitcoin today. Learn about the best ways of doing it. Learn about what the trends are. Learn about what coins are hot, what coins are not. One thing you definitely want to stay away from is stay away from coins that have no actual movement, coins that just have no volume, nobody talking about them. There's a lot of coins out there. There are thousands of coins at this point. But you want to be careful. You don't want to just go buy some coin because it's really, really cheap, because it might not actually go anywhere and it might be worth nothing in the future. That's why I'm sticking to the main market caps like Etherum, Dash, and Litecoin, Bitcoin, because those are the big market caps. Those are the ones everyone's looking at. Those are the ones everyone's trading. But I'm really, really bullish on Litecoin right now. I like to see Litecoin get above $100 mark by the end of the year. We'll see what happens. I've got a lot of Litecoin there at the $50, $56 area. So in that range, I'm looking pretty good. If it gets above $80 and stays there, I'll be happy with that. But overall, learning about cryptocurrency every single day, learning more about it, and hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos. If you're not, I'm sorry. If you're only here for the day trading stuff, you really, really should learn more about this cryptocurrency world right now. Talking to you guys about the importance of learning about cryptocurrency, because this could be a big future. Is that to say that I don't think cryptocurrencies could just vanish tomorrow? That there is a possibility, but that's one of the reasons that I've been trading this the way I am and kind of playing it safe. I obviously don't have $100,000 in Litecoin right now. You know, maybe if I did, I could be a millionaire at the end of next year, but we'll see what happens. I've been just, playing slowly and learning about this stuff every day. So looking for some big moves. Every once in a while, there'll be a big coin that comes out. There'll be a coin that has a lot of momentum, a coin that goes up 100% in one day. You can look for some of those opportunities to jump in. Look for opportunities like if there's bad news about Bitcoin crashing big, sometimes you'll get just a flash crash. The other day, there was a hacking that happened, and Bitcoin, Litecoin dropped like $4 or $5 in the middle of the night. I actually had some orders on GDAX to buy some more Litecoin at that point. I got filled some more Litecoin at a cheaper price than what it was normally. So I got filled on that little flash crash. It came right back up and I'm sitting in profit. So learn about it, research it, do your own research, figure out about it. If you want to learn more about day trading, you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys later on.